What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to fix the issue when Windows 11 is not detecting your headphones. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. Open up your settings when clicking on this gear icon in your taskbar, or simply open up your start menu and search for settings. Here, select sound to open up your sound settings window. Make sure that your headphones are set to the default output device in case it's being detected in your settings. In your device properties, you can change the overall volume. In case your headphones sound very quiet, then make sure to increase the volume. This will depend on which device you are using as well as the software you are using to communicate or listen to audio. In your advanced sound settings, select More Sound Settings. This will open up your sound control panel. Here, in the Playback tab, make sure that, for now, only your headphones are enabled. This will prevent issues with multiple output devices. Double-click your headphones to open up your Headphones Properties panel. Under Advanced, the two exclusive mode options should be enabled, and make sure to set your default format to 2-channel 44,100 Hz or 2-channel 48,000 Hz. This will also depend on what is available to you in this list. Make sure to apply your changes and then you can close this window. Testing your device with another source, such as a video on YouTube, will help you determine where the issue is coming from. After tweaking your settings, you can close this window and search for Device Manager in your Start menu search and hit Enter. On this window, expand Audio Inputs and Outputs. Here, right-click the output sound device you prefer to use. Select Update Driver and make sure to search automatically for drivers. This will take a minute to make sure that your device's driver is up to date. Lastly, make sure to open up your settings for the application you wish to use. For issues while using Discord, for example, open up the application and navigate to your user settings. Here, in your app settings, select Voice and Video. Discord will, like most applications, allow you to change your input and output device. In case nothing helps you out, then make sure that your operating system is up to date. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.